Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another cash stuffing video, and I have all of my breakdowns here of the denominations I'm going to be stuffing and then my cash breakdown today. So today we're going to be stuffing $970, and I'm just going to go ahead and hop right in. So these are like my sinking funds binders, but we're going to go ahead and start off with my cash envelopes. And I did make myself some new cash envelopes. My other ones were falling apart, and these are just a tad bit bigger than my last ones. But yeah, so let's go ahead and hop right in. So I'm going to set up my cash breakdown here on the side. So let's start out with groceries, and I'm going to, I think, roll everything over that's in here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 101, 102. So I'm going to add 120. So 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 210, 215, 220, 221, and 222 in groceries. And I actually need to go shopping this weekend, so I'm sure a lot of this will be used. Next, we're gonna go to dining out. And this one is also one I'm gonna roll over because this one was definitely a problem for me. I was overspending on dining out the last few months. So I have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44, 45. I think that was right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 45. And dining out today is going to be getting, let's see, I think 65. So that's 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Actually, we'll just take this one. Let's double count this. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, so 65. So let's go ahead and add this. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 110 in dining out. All right. And then moving on to spending. So spending has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So I'm also gonna roll this over. The reason being because I like to just have extra money in here just in case. I think I'm gonna start rolling my cash envelopes over, and I'll reevaluate at the end of the month just to see how I like it. So spending today is getting $40. So we're gonna do 20, 30, oh actually I think 45, my bad. So 120, 110, oh no, 15 and 5 ones. So this should be 40. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That one is so gross. That'll be the first one to be spent. So let's see what we have now. So spending now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have 88 in spending. All right, up next we have car, and this is actually for my car washes, and this has $10 in it, and it's gonna get, I believe this should be 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now car wash has 15, and that is definitely enough to get my car washed. And lastly, we have household, which is getting a 10. And I'm just gonna continuously roll over household because I feel like I always need stuff. So I have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and $24 in household. So that is my cash envelopes all done. And I'll show you guys what they look like. So they kind of have like this like gemstone slash like marbly type of vibe. Yeah, super cute, love them. And that's pretty much it for these guys. So we're gonna go ahead and move into our sinking funds. So I'm going to start off with this first binder here. And we're gonna be starting out with Wishlist, and Wishlist is getting $20 today. So Wishlist now has 100, 200, 250, 270, and 280. And I haven't decided what I want to get first. I kind of want my Cricut, but I feel like I should wait till closer to Black Friday just in case there's a sale. Next we have Adventures, and Adventures is also getting 20. I pulled some money from here because I did take my sisters out for a day, so we just had some fun. And I just decided to pull it from here. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59 in Adventures. I think next adventure I want to use this for is going to be a visit to the aquarium with my boyfriend, so we'll see. All right, now we have Travel, and Travel is also getting 20. So Travel now has 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 380. So 380 in Travel. And I mentioned this in my last video, but my boyfriend and I are trying to save for a trip to Hawaii next year for our 5-year anniversary. All right, on to my favorite envelope, and that is Christmas. And Christmas is getting $80 today. I'm trying really hard to bump up my Christmas envelope. So 50, 70, and 80. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 570, 590, 600. Trying to face these bills all the same way because it's going to drive me nuts. All right, so that is Christmas. Next, we've got subscriptions, and my Amazon Prime is going to come out next month. So I am adding $30 to subscriptions. It's going to be a 20 and a 10. So subscriptions now has 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, 145. Is that right? 50, 100, 120, 130, 140. Yep, 145. Right, and that is it for this binder here. Next, we're going to move on to this pink binder that I added to my little setup here. So I'm actually only going to be stuffing 2 envelopes out of here. I tried to like set these up for kind of like moving any overages that I have. Not overages, but like any money left over that I maybe want to leave in these envelopes. Instead of leaving them in my cash envelopes, but we'll see. So today we're going to be stuffing car, and this is for my car payment. So I'm working towards paying down this debt. I know I definitely won't pay it off this year, but I'm hoping to have it paid off by next year. So I'm going to be adding $370 to this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 350, 370. Yeah, so 370 to car. And this is the only debt that I currently have. So I'm working really hard to pay this off. That way I can be debt free. All right, so I'm not gonna move any money out of dining out from here. Spending is going to be getting stuffed, and I know that may be a little weird, but this is for my Disney spending. So I'm adding $100 into here. And I will be going in a few weeks with my best friend to celebrate her birthday. So $100 isn't enough, but my plan is to use whatever money that I moved into my rollover envelope along with this $100 that I put into spending. And that's it. I also added this savings envelope here, so that way anything that I might want to pull from these envelopes that are like rollover money, I can just put into this envelope and then deposit it into the savings account that I have. So that is it for this binder. Now on to my next binder. So I did make myself some new envelopes for my sinking funds. So this is what they look like. I really love like the pink and like rose gold type of vibe. So that's kind of what I have going on here. But starting off with clothing, I'm going to give clothing $20. And thankfully I finally found clothes that fit and looked exactly like they did on the online photos. So I'm really happy about that. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 61, and 62 in clothing. It's gonna take some getting used to for these because I'm so used to like my zipper envelopes. Next up we have holidays, and holidays is getting 25 today. So we now have 75 in holidays, and I'm really excited. I cannot wait to do all of the fall activities like pumpkin patches and looking for a Christmas tree, all that fun stuff. Home is getting $20 today. And home now has $20, $40, $50, $55. Next we have beauty, and beauty is only getting $5 because I don't really have any like appointments or anything planned that I want to get. So we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, and 97 in beauty. All right, next we've got gifts, and I did pull money out of my gifts envelope to get my ticket for Disney, since that's what my best friend asked for her birthday, was for us to do that. So gifts is getting $20, and that is my last 20. So we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49 in gifts. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I apologize, I'm like all over the place for this video, but nonetheless, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Today, I'm going to just hit the mall after this, go to the grocery store, run some errands, and then just for a fun treat, I want to stop by this like dessert place and pick up a funnel cake. Let me know in the comments down below if you have something fun going on or what you're doing this weekend. But I will see you guys in the next video. I'm thinking of doing like a weekly check-in to just kind of show you guys again what I'm spending my money on, and just to keep myself a little more accountable with my budget. But yeah, let me know what you guys are up to, what you're doing, what you have going on. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.